Good morning, sir. My name is Murli. I am studying for mechanical engineering course, automobile engineering. Today, explain about introduction to air suspension systems and a torsion bar shock absorbers. Introduction to vehicle suspension systems. Vehicle suspension systems are designed to improve ride comfort and vehicle handling. They absorb shock from road irregularities and maintain tire contact with the road surface. Different types of suspension systems are used based on vehicle design and purpose. These are the components of vehicle suspension system: coil springs, control arm, inner tie rod, bar bushing, control arm bushing, lower control arm, outer tire rod, upper strut mountain, upper control arm. Overview of air suspension systems. Air suspension systems replace traditional coil or leaf springs with or airba- airbags. They utilize compressed air to adjust ride height and improve ride quality. Air suspensions provide benefits like adjustable ride height and enhanced comfort. Components of air suspension systems. Key components include airbags, air springs, air compressors, and electronic control units. Air springs are flexible rubber and fabric bags that contain compressed air. Additional components include valves, airbags, and sensors for system regulation. How air suspension system works. The system adjusts air pressure in the springs to change vehicle height. Sensors detect load changes and send signals to the control unit. The control unit then adjusts to air pressure to maintain optimal ride and height comfort. Benefits of air suspension systems. They provide a smoother ride by absorbing road shocks more effectively. Air suspension enhances vehicle handling and stability. They allow for adjustable ride height for different driving conditions. Torsion bar suspension system. The torsion bar suspension system uses a torsion bar as its primary spring element. It twists to absorb shocks and suspension support to the vehicle's weight. Torsion bar are typically mounted to the vehicle's frame. Components of torsion bar suspension systems. Main components include torsion bars, control arms, and stabilizer bars. Torsion bars are long steel bars that twist utilizes load. Control arm connect the torsion bars to the vehicle chassis and wheels. These are the components torsion bar suspension system: frame, square element, lever arm, support bearing, torsion bar, square end anchor. How torsion bar suspension system works. When the wheel encounters a bump, the torsion bar twists, absorbing the shocks. The twisting action provides a spring-like support for the vehicle. Adjustments can be made by changing torsion bar length or tension. Advantages of torsion bar suspension system. They are simple, durable, and require less maintenance. Torsion bar allow for easy ride height adjustments. They are suitable for various vehicle types, including trucks and SUVs. Shock absorbers in suspension system. Shock absorbers damping the oscillations of springs and suspension components. They improve ride comfort and vehicle stability. Shock absorbers can convert kinetic energy into heat to control suspension movement. Types of shock absorbers. Hydraulic shock absorbers use fluid to damping suspension motion. Gas-filled shock absorbers and nitrogen gas for better performance. Some shocks incorporate adjustable damping features for customizable ride quality. This is the type of hydraulic shock absorber. Role of shock absorbers in air suspension system. Shock absorbers work together with air springs to control vehicle movement. They prevent excessive bouncing and sway during driving. Proper shock absorbers maintain ensures optimal suspension performance. These are the components of shock absorbers: rod seal, reservoir tube, piston, calibrated seams and orifices, footwall housing, inner tube, piston rod, oil flow. Integration of air suspension and shock absorbers. Modern systems integrate air suspension with electronically controlled shock absorbers. This integration allows for real-time adjustment to ride comfort and handling. Many luxury vehicles features an adaptive suspension system for enhancing driving experience. Maintenance and troubleshooting of air suspension system. Regular inspection of air springs and compressors is essential for system longevity. Leak in air springs can cause ride height issues and should be checked promptly. Faulty sensors or control units may disrupt system operation and require professional diagnosis. Advantages of combining air suspensions with the torsion bar and shock absorbers. Combining these systems to provide optimal ride quality and handling. Adjustability allows customization for road conditions and driving preferences. The integrated system enhances safety and comfort in various driving scenarios. Applications of air suspensions, torsion bars, and shock absorbers. Used in passenger cars, trucks, buses, and off-road vehicles, commercial vehicles benefits from loading, leveling, and ride height adjustment. Off-road vehicles utilize these systems to manage roughly terrains effectively. Future trends in suspension technology. Development of smart suspension systems with advanced sensors and controls. Integration of adaptive and semi-active shock absorbers for improved performance. Encouraged use of lightweight materials to reduce vehicles' weight and improve efficiency. Summary of key points. Air suspension systems provide adjustable ride comfort through air springs. Torsion bar suspension offers durability and ease of adjustment. Shock absorbers are vital for damping suspension oscillations and ensuring stability. Thank you, sir.